like, and subscribe. Top of the morning to y'all. I hope y'all ready to get the day going. First, we gotta get our heart pumping and we gotta get our blood flowing. We gotta find something fast, real quick. This is perfect right here. It doesn't have exhaust, it's electric. Audi RS ETron GT, about 400 to 500 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds or less. Now that's what I call exhilarating. We got the heart pumping and the blood flowing with some horsepower. Now today's lesson is how to change a battery on any car. I'm gonna teach you that today. Step one is locating your battery. If you have a normal, regular gas burning car, then most likely your battery is located under the hood. If you look under the hood and you don't see a battery and you got jump posts like this, then you're fancy and your battery is either located under the front passenger seat or in the trunk like this. Step two will be tools. These are the only tools you're gonna need to ever change a battery on a car. A 10mm wrench, if you're lucky, is all you'll need. A ratchet, it could be 3/8 or quarter. A 13mm socket and a 10mm socket, along with an extension. The extension is for your battery hold down. This battery is a bad example because this battery does not fit in this car. So it does not have a battery hold down. But once I take it out, we'll see so I can show you. Me, I prefer electric because I want to get things done faster. I don't want to use my wrist muscles. So first things first, put this on. You don't need this for the battery terminals. 10mm socket. Loosen your battery terminals. Negative first. Tuck it away. And positive. Oh, it's stuck on here. There we go. If you ever have trouble getting this off, you can take a screwdriver, preferably bigger than this, flathead, get under here and just pry up on it and wiggle it off. Get up under there, pry up on it, and it'll come off. There would be a battery hold down you gotta take off with the 13mm. This is an example of a battery hold down. You see this silver bracket and this screw right here, or bolt. Take that bolt out, remove the bracket, sit it to the side, then you'll be able to get your battery out. Most cars are like this, but some have a bracket on top of the battery, and that will only require you to use a 10mm. So it just depends on your situation, on the battery bracket type, on what you have to do. But since this car has the wrong battery in it, you don't have to worry about that. Take the battery out, sit it aside, new battery in. Just like that. We back rocking and rolling. You got now, tighten your battery terminals. And the job is done, just like that, man. Changing the battery on any car, regardless. Hopefully your battery's under the hood like most normal people, but if it's not, you gotta go to those locations and figure it out. It's easy to do, man. You can do it on your own. Don't pay anybody to change your battery for you. It's the most simplest thing, man. It takes minimal tools. All you need is those couple of tools, and you can change any battery, regardless. Tow Bros is back in business, baby. Got us a tow truck back. I know it's been a while. If you follow me on social media, you know that I was towing cars at my job for a while, and it made me want to get a tow truck. And now we have our own tow truck back. We don't have to share anymore. We got this big UD. We got Tow Bro Jr. over here driving.
Tow Bro Jr. is crazy.
We wanted to start doing how-to videos for you guys, because that's what YouTube is about, man. It's about how-to. If you don't know how to do something, what's the first thing you do? You Google it, and you usually go to YouTube. So that's how you change a battery, guys. And this is how you tow a car. Not really. I'm not gonna show you how to tow a car because it's too complicated. Yeah. Can't see, bro.
This is terrible.
All right, I'm on there now.
Tow Bros is rusty.
And full. Here we go. It's in here. Tow Bros here to pick up and drop off. What's your delivery? Bag this thing on in here, man. Bag that thing up. Pause. Or no pause if you like that. Just like that, y'all. Tow Bros back in business. Now hit the bell.